You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French expression that's quite popular in France and also used in English to refer to the French expression meaning cream of the cream or cream of the crop. Crème de la crème, that's your French pronunciation here, and we'll look at how to say it in English as well. Crème de la crème. So it's like the best of the cream. When you make cream from milk, it's the best, the finest cream. Crème de la crème. In English, it's usually pronounced as English pronunciation, crème de la crème. Crème de la crème from French, crème de la crème. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.